If you're looking for a pool home in Southeast Lakeland, and I mean a pool home, check out this pool, wait till you see it. 5075 Shoreside Drive, hard to say, tongue twister. Southeast Lakeland, gated community, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, great neighborhood, nice quiet area. Let's go take a look at this home. You're gonna love it. All right, so just to give you an idea of the exterior of this, it's a beautiful exterior. It's got a lot of hip roofs here, so nice angles, 3-car garage. This is a small community gated right over off Clubhouse Road. There is a limited amount of homes in here. There is water behind here, like a lake, not water, but a lake, which has water. And this goes all the way, it's a dead end cul-de-sac, not very far down. So meaning it's a small, exclusive neighborhood, nice and private, nice and quiet. Let's take a look at this home. Nice and open, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, split plan. Let me walk you over here too so you can see, just to give you an idea of the size of the community. When you first drive in, the gate is right there. So it's right, you keep on going around here and you're the first house on the right. Let's take a look. So, got nice wide sidewalks coming up here. Nice landscape package. Sits up really nice and high. And when you first walk in, you're gonna see the nice custom millwork they did on these, this crown molding, the tray ceilings. It's got ceramic tile flooring. So let me back up and show you when you first walk in. Put a lot of nice touches on this home. Built-in desk area. Take a look at some of the trim work here. Very nice. You can see even this is all shutters. The wide, extra tall baseboards. Beautiful custom built-ins. Put your big old 85-inch screen right there. You can see plenty of room for your personal knickknacks or however you want to decorate. How'd you like to walk in and then just jump right in this pool? Look how large this deck is. It's huge. It's all pavers. I'm going to take you right out here just so you can see it. This is a beautiful pool. You've got the fountains, plenty of room over here, and then you've got a swim out, jacuzzi. Again, there's plenty of space here to put a lot of outdoor furniture. Really nice for a Florida pool home. Completely fenced in backyard, PVC fencing. Get the TV out here to watch your sports. So let's walk back inside and get an idea of the layout. So when you first walk in, you saw the dining. This is an office. Nice size office. It has real wood floors, beautiful wood floors. And again, the trim work, meaning the casing around the windows is all custom wood, and then this too is all wood. Nicely done. Looks like it's 5 1/4 inch baseboards. So great office, close those doors. You still have some nice lighting. Kitchen's gorgeous. It's got granite countertops. You can see the large island. Backing up here, you have an area for a coffee bar. It's got tile backsplash, beautiful cabinets, stainless steel fridge. Really double island. All stainless steel appliances, really nice. Plenty of counter space, lots of cabinet space. Eat-in nook area right here, which is really great with the open windows, the glass there. You can put a large nook table here, by the way. It's kind of hard to maybe tell from video, but it's nice size. French door leading out there if your sliders are closed. Let's get a better look at this kitchen from back here so you can really see how nice size it is. Nice and open for your guests to entertain. If you've got a family and they like to store some food, here you go. Here's that. How's that for a pantry? That is a nice size. Come over here, your laundry. Washer dryer is staying with the home. You'll see the laundry sink here. All your internet, all your cables, all your hookups are all up here. Place for backpack. Typical 3-car garage, but it's very nice, so nice and spacious. There is a door to go outside there. All right, and let's keep on going straight here for the tour. So closet back here for storage. So it's really nice. Let me back up, because over here is the master suite, the primary suite. You also have a bed and bath back here, in-law, teenage suite, what have you. And then you have the other bedrooms here. So it's really a triple bedroom split plan. New carpeting. They've done some nice touch-up, newer paint throughout the house. High ceilings, all the window treatments. Carpet looks great. All upgraded hardware. This would be one of your 3 baths. It's got the wood trim mirror. They did not spare any bells and whistles in this home. This has got the tub shower combination. Nice tile work, little design there. All right, and then this side is your other bedroom. So really you have 2 bedrooms, 1 bath on this side. All right. Now notice a linen closet here, and you've got another, I call it the vacuum closet, because you don't have a lot of coats around here. You don't need them in Florida except about 2 days of the year. Let's go over to the primary suite. Take a look at that. Now this is really laid out very well. Wood floors, French doors into the pool area. You've got crown molding, you have tray ceilings, all your mount for your big screen, double windows here, all shutters, beautiful shutters. 2 walk-in closets, hers with custom built-ins, beautiful. You got the dresser right there. Plenty of space here to hang things, all custom built. There's even a little bit of shelving behind the door. And then there's a linen closet in the master, but beautiful countertops. You can see they even have crown molding in the bathrooms. Tub and a large walk-in shower. It's a toilet room. This is great for just natural light. I mean, 3 of them way up high. For privacy, you don't even need to have a light in here really as far as walking, taking a shower. Okay, and you can see you've got double shower heads. One this way, one that way. And then let's go to the back of the home. I'll show you that. A little over 2,600 square feet. Well laid out. New carpet back here. Probably one of the larger bedrooms back here with the window just facing south. Double closet doors. Another French door into the screened pool area. And then your 3rd bath, really your guest bath, if you will. Right in the back here, granite tops. Same setup with all your nice neutral design, ceramic tile. Even has a nice Listello around here. Obscure glass. And it is ready to move into. The owner has spared no expense and done everything for you. It is ready to go. So we'd love to show you this home. This listing is courtesy of one of our team agents, Bethany Jack, and she can also help you. So either one of us can show you this home, tell you more about it. Would love to answer your questions, give you a private tour. And thank you so much for tuning in. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Thanks for taking this tour today with me. If you love this home, want to take a look at it, please message me below. Or for other listings, I've got plenty of other YouTube videos on here to link. You'll see them everywhere on the channel. And anything else you're interested in buying or selling in the Polk County area, would love to help you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's connect and talk about your real estate needs, and hope you have an amazing day. Take care.